German Shepherds, a breed for search and rescue operations. German Shepherds, also known as Alsatians, are one of the most popular and versatile dog breeds in the world. They are highly intelligent, loyal, and have a strong work ethic, which makes them perfect candidates for various jobs, including search and rescue operations. In this article, we will explore why German Shepherds are an ideal breed for these critical tasks. One of the main reasons why German Shepherds excel in search and rescue operations is their exceptional scent detection abilities. These dogs have a highly developed sense of smell, which enables them to track even the faintest scent. This skill makes them invaluable in locating missing persons, whether in urban or wilderness settings. German Shepherds can follow the scent trails left behind by humans for extended periods, making them excellent candidates for search and rescue teams. Furthermore, German Shepherds possess remarkable physical capabilities that are crucial for search and rescue missions. They have a strong and agile body, which allows them to navigate through difficult terrains and climb over obstacles effortlessly. Their muscular build and endurance enable them to cover large distances without getting fatigued, making them the perfect companions for search and rescue personnel. Additionally, their large size and loud bark make them an intimidating presence, which can be useful in deterring potential threats during operations. A significant advantage of German Shepherds is their high trainability. These dogs are quick learners and highly responsive to commands, which is essential for search and rescue operations. They can be taught a wide range of tasks, such as tracking scents, locating and delivering items, and even performing complex maneuvers in hazardous conditions. German Shepherds' intelligence and obedience make them adaptable to various environments and able to handle the challenges that come with search and rescue work. The temperament of German Shepherds also plays a crucial role in their suitability for search and rescue operations. They are known for their loyalty and dedication to their handlers, and they willingly put themselves in danger to protect and assist their human companions. Their calm and composed nature allows them to remain focused and level-headed even in stressful situations, which is vital for successful search and rescue missions. German Shepherds are trained to stay calm and alert during emergencies, making them reliable partners in high-pressure operations. Another reason why German Shepherds are favored for search and rescue work is their versatility. These dogs can perform a wide range of functions within a search and rescue team, depending on their specialized training. They can be trained as trailing dogs, air-scenting dogs, or even water rescue dogs, depending on the requirements of the mission. This versatility allows German Shepherds to adapt to different scenarios and contribute effectively to search and rescue efforts. It is worth mentioning that German Shepherds are not only suitable for professional search and rescue operations, but also excel in volunteering and assistance work. Many organizations rely on dedicated and trained German Shepherds to assist in locating missing persons during natural disasters, such as earthquakes or avalanches. These dogs can cover extensive areas in a shorter time, significantly increasing the chances of finding survivors, which is critical in time-sensitive situations. In conclusion, German Shepherds are an exceptional breed for search and rescue operations. Their exceptional scent detection abilities, physical capabilities, trainability, temperament, and versatility make them highly effective in these crucial tasks. Whether working alongside search and rescue professionals or volunteering to aid during emergencies, German Shepherds have proven time and again why they are the breed of choice for search and rescue missions. Their unwavering loyalty, intelligence, and commitment to duty make them invaluable members of any search and rescue team. If you are considering adding a German Shepherd to your family, be prepared to provide the mental stimulation and training they need to thrive and reach their full potential.